Well, at this time of year, what the hell is it with delivery firms? These two packages came in. The one behind it is a replacement. DPD swap it tape. That was ripped open on one end. But look at this one. Let's state of that. Big gouge right across it as well. That's the return label, but the whole bloody lot. The whole package bust. It's a desk. It was a desk. There's broken pieces inside it. Apparently the driver said he took the corners a bit too fast. Yeah, okay. Bit of incompetence on DPD's part, isn't it, that? But then we got another one yesterday that came from, well, they're from Amazon, by the way. We got this one. It's only Wallpaper. This one come from a firm called APC. Let's stay at this box. See? Said it had a bit of rough transit. So APC and DPD, you shouldn't be in business, you lot. And for everybody else who sends stuff via these firms, you should send it via Royal Mail. They've got a bit better, just slightly better anyway, put it that way. See, gouges, massive gouge, and ripped to shreds. DPD and APC, two incompetent delivery firms that we should avoid.